You come back a boy.
Yo, you're there upon bad man. Why you tell do over here, brother?
I ain't ready. No, I'm for you.
Yo, he's there. I'm gonna make you jump and go right here.
Send me and send it to them.
Boy, make me chop for my belly, you know. Hey, boy, I tell you this, you know. Like a God spread your bed here, because you'll be dead that night.
Welcome back to the land of the living. It's dead by a minute. Which part of there? What I say? Now give him a chance.
Chance, step on balloon. What you say, King?
Well, I can't be a hypocrite. And we have say peace and unity, no? So here what me I gonna say. When you depart,
Peace, me coming for your father. Can't really bother with the war thing, you know.
You sure of peace? Or you want to go in one barrel of pieces? Eh? Hear me, I say still. We have a work field. Over still the security. Day and night, night and day, you hear that? No rest. And if you slip, we push you down. Now wait for your slide, yeah?
Easy. Youth, what have talent you have?
Yeah, man, me artist, man, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yo, brother, you go chat a song right now. I see if you're not bad. Run sitting. Sing for your life.
Every ghetto youth deserve a second chance. Come on, coulda dead and gone. Every ghetto youth deserve a second chance.
Beg for life, man.
All we need a motivation. One for the six till let me get the youth stay strong. Oh, now the kid you need the nice. But you have to pay the price now. Anything you want, you have to work for. Dog, nothing never come cheap. Daddy tell me say anything when I get you make
there's the
deserve
money
it.
pull up.
What?
Boy,
You
that's
sound
sound
like a
bad.
bad
You don't sound bad. You must sing for your life.
Go on.
Well, butcher.
What you say,
Earn
Butcher?
it.
Yeah, man. We have a second chance. Yo, we have a story over 13, yeah?
No. Low with badness. You hear that? Yo, look give me a minute, you hear? Hello, Miss Archer.
Whoa! Teacher's pet!
Yo, man, hold it down.
Dog, you don't play enough.
Give him a drink.
Yeah, you want us to meet tomorrow? Okay, sweetie.
Good afternoon, sir. The package has been delivered, safe and sound, and no clue as to what took place.
No clue.
None. Positive, sir.
Excellent. Excellent. I have spoken to Whisper, and I need to see everybody roam by your place in a little while. So as soon as you can get there, let me know, and I will be straight around. I have a briefing to give you about some jobs I need